What is Obsidian?
Obsidian is a free, powerful note-taking app that turns your collection of notes into a searchable, interconnected personal wiki. It uses simple text files formatted in Markdown, letting you link ideas together and quickly find information. Whether you're a student, professional, or lifelong learner, Obsidian helps you organize knowledge your way.
Installing and setting up your vault.
Download Obsidian from the official website and install it on your computer. When you launch Obsidian, create a new folder called a vault. This is where all your notes will live. Give your vault a clear name, ideally reflecting its purpose, like Personal Knowledge Base. Then open it to start building your system.
Creating and organizing notes.
To add a new note, click the New Note button. Start by creating notes from main topics you want to track, such as ideas, books, or projects. Use folders to group related notes. But remember, linking notes is often more powerful than using traditional folders. Organize in a way that feels intuitive for your needs.
Linking notes for easy navigation.
Obsidian shines through its ability to link notes together. To connect ideas, use double square brackets. This creates clickable links between your notes, building a web of knowledge. Over time, your vault becomes a network where information is easy to discover, just by following links.
Searching and using your personal wiki.
The built-in search feature helps you quickly find any note or specific information within your vault. You can also use tags by adding hashtags like #project or #idea to group notes across different folders. Combining search, links, and tags makes your Obsidian Vault an efficient, personalized knowledge base.
Getting the most out of Obsidian.
Explore Obsidian's core features first. As you grow more comfortable, check out additional plugins for advanced options like calendars or graph views. But remember, the simplest setup, linking, tagging, and searching provides a robust foundation for an organized, searchable personal wiki built with Obsidian.